What if your iPhone didn't just respond to your commands but anticipated your needs? And what if that same power was used to determine if you get a job? This week, AI wasn't just a feature, it was the headline. For the week ending June 14, 2025, the AI race got personal. Apple unveils Apple Intelligence, its answer to ChatGPT and Gemini. China's social media giant Rednote drops a powerful open-source AI model. A new AI can design its own better algorithms, and the job market gets a jolt. Duolingo shifts to an AI-first hiring model. Welcome to AI Weekly, the pulse, where we cut through the hype and tell you what actually matters. Let's get into it. We teach AI with our data. But what if AI could teach itself to be better than us? That's the breakthrough from Google DeepMind this week with AlphaEvolve. This isn't just another coding assistant. AlphaEvolve is an AI agent that uses a form of digital evolution. It generates multiple solutions to a problem, tests them, kills off the weak ones, and breeds the best ones to create entirely new, more efficient algorithms. Algorithms humans hadn't thought of. It's already discovering ways to improve chip design and data center efficiency. As one DeepMind engineer put it, we've stopped just using AI to solve problems. We're now using it to discover new ways of solving. Why should you care? This is how we get to the next level of scientific discovery, with AI as our creative partner, not just our calculator. The biggest drop of the week, and maybe the year, comes from Cupertino. At its Worldwide Developers Conference, Apple finally showed its hand with Apple Intelligence. This isn't just one product, it's a deep, system-wide AI integration coming to iOS 26 and, its other platforms. So, what does this mean for you? Well, your iPhone is about to get a lot more personal and predictive. Imagine real-time on-device translation during phone calls. Think Genmoji, where you can fuse two emojis to create a brand new one on the fly. And there's even an image playground for creating AI images right inside your apps. Apple's also integrating ChatGPT for more complex queries, but with a privacy-first approach. Here's how it stacks up. While Google's Gemini is about organizing the world's information and OpenAI's ChatGPT is a powerful generalist, Apple Intelligence is all about your information. It runs primarily on your device, making it, faster and more private. It's a different philosophy, less about being an all-knowing oracle, and more about being a deeply personal, proactive assistant that understands your context. It's Apple's massive, long-awaited answer to the AI arms race. Now for the global AI chess game. This week the US-China rivalry played out in public warnings and private ambitions. The US spent the week sounding the alarm. The White House's new AI czar David Sachs made headlines by warning that China is now only months, not years, behind the US in AI model development. His message was clear. America's lead is razor-thin, and overregulation could mean ceding the lead to Beijing. The US strategy is focused on maintaining its edge, using export controls and public pressure. Meanwhile, China focused on democratizing power. Social media giant Rednote, known as Xiaohongshu, released a powerful new open-source large language model called LLM-1. It follows a trend set by giants like Alibaba and startups like DeepSeek. By making their models freely available, Chinese companies are accelerating innovation at a massive scale, letting anyone build on their work. So you have this dynamic: the US is trying to protect its lead at the top, while China is rapidly building a massive open foundation from the bottom up. Two very different strategies for AI dominance. This week's AI WTF moment comes from the language learning app Duolingo. In an internal memo that quickly went public, the CEO announced a major shift to an AI-first business model. The company is phasing out human contractors for content creation and translation. But here's the crazy part. The memo also revealed that AI will now play a growing role in hiring and performance reviews for its remaining human employees. The move sparked a massive debate online about the future of creative work and AI's role as the new middle manager. It's a stark preview of a future where, honestly, your next boss might be a bot. So, beyond the hype, what problem did AI actually solve this week? Well, two big ones: healthcare and heavy industry. In healthcare, a new startup called Autonomize AI just raised $28 million to scale its agentic AI platform for hospitals. This AI doesn't just read scans, it orchestrates the entire workflow, analyzing patient records, predicting supply needs for surgeries, and flagging potential drug interactions before a doctor even has to ask. It's really tackling the burnout-inducing administrative chaos of modern medicine. And over in heavy industry, another startup, Bolo AI, raised $8 million to build an AI operating system for energy grids, utilities, and manufacturing plants. Their system acts like a central nervous system for a factory, predicting machine failures, optimizing energy use in real time, and managing robotic systems. So AI isn't just generating poems. This week it was preventing medical errors and making critical infrastructure safer and more efficient. Follow the money. The biggest move wasn't a startup but a major M&A push. Data and AI consulting firm Blend 360 just announced it's going on a $300 million shopping spree, acquiring smaller, specialized AI companies. Who's betting big? The giants who want to sell AI solutions to other giants. Blend 360 is betting that the future isn't one-size-fits-all AI, but a blend of custom solutions for industries like finance, healthcare, and retail. So what's on the horizon? A scary new report from Stanford researchers this week found a disturbing trend. Developers using AI coding assistants are producing less secure code than those coding manually. The AI is great at writing code that works, but terrible at understanding security context, leaving behind vulnerabilities that hackers can exploit. So the big question now is, as we race to build everything with AI, are we accidentally building the most hackable world imaginable? That's the pulse for this week. Stay curious, stay critical,